Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve UX design with Figma step by step clearly. Open Figma and create a new project. Choose the appropriate frame size for your design. Utilize the layout grid feature to establish a clear structure. Begin by sketching out your basic wireframes. Focus on the placement of key elements like buttons and navigation. Use Figma's components feature to create reusable design elements. Incorporate text styles to ensure consistency across your project. Add images and icons to enhance the visual storytelling of your design. Experiment with color palettes to evoke the desired emotions. Utilize the prototyping feature to link your frames. Test the flow of your design by navigating through the prototype. Gather feedback from users by sharing the prototype link. Make necessary adjustments based on the feedback received. Pay attention to accessibility by ensuring sufficient contrast in your color choices. Optimize loading times by using appropriately sized images. Finally, prepare your design for handoff by providing documentation and specifications. Review the finalized design to ensure it meets user needs and expectations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.